Huwag mo nang patagalin pa. Yung simpleng ngiti mo, baka may tinatago ng problema. At kung nasa abroad ka, o OFW ka man, o seaman, or just far from a clinic, hindi excuse yan para pabayaan ang dental health mo. Ako si Doc Sly Bukad ng Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, and we now offer a dental online consultation. Kahit saan ka sa mundo, alam namin na marami sa atin na lalo na sa ibang bansa na takot pumunta agad sa clinic. O minsan, wala talagang oras, wala ring tiwala, kaya dito sa Dental Online with Doc Sly, we made the first step easier, safer, and professional. Through a simple video call, we can assess your condition, guide you step by step, and most importantly, we listen, hindi lang basta tanong at sagot. We properly screen, clinical evaluation, and explanation ng option mo. This is not just a casual chat. This is your first step to better oral health. And best of part, you'll get an expert advice without leaving your home. Kahit nasa Dubai ka, Canada, at kahit nasa probinsya ka lang. Kaya kung matagal ka nang nagdadalawang isip, this is your sign. Minsan, all it takes is one conversation to change your smile, your confidence, and even prevent bigger problems. Book your dental online with us today. Madali, safe, alagang tunay, let's take a first step together kasi dito sa Bukad Vision and Smile Rehab, we bring care closer to you.